look who driving. Yeah, 2 fish, 1 bait driving. And yeah, he got license, man. He got license, man. But look though, we about to go get us some fish, man. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. We done made it. Okay, right there. Y'all missed the 2 fish, 1 bait in the building. But that shirt nice though, boy. That shirt nice. Listen, y'all want some shirts, man? Hook me up. I'll put my link down below. Got merch. Let's get some fish. Come on. Yes, sir. Watch out. Let's go. It won't be too long. Yes, sir.
Yeah. He up there catching up slow. I said, Lord, the babies can catch fish like that. I know. I better go do something.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all see
They
it,
be
man.
tickling us. They just so
Nice
crazy
keep a
with
sheeper,
it.
man.
Oh, my God.
Y'all
Oh, my
see
God.
it.
I got one.
Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Oh. That boy nice. Yep. There it is.
Eddie, I told you don't be coming down here showing out. Look, I've been down here all this morning.
Yeah.
All day. Eddie done come down here and start showing out.
Yes, sir. K done hit. Can't unhit. Here, hold the camera from me. Yeah. Yeah. Nice little fish right here, y'all. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. Hey, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell. I'm trying to get y'all some fish, you heard? Let's go. My boy. My boy, 2 fish.
Hey, they might be small, but what?
It's still fun.
Hey, I can control the fight and the fight. Yeah,
let's go. Good, I see it in the mouth. Oh, I missed mine. Yes, see my boy? You see my boy?
We already started getting warmed up. Boom, there we go.
There we go, boy. You warmed up. Thank you. Man, he done cleaned you. You got me, y'all. He was in that good way. Tricky when they fall up in there like that. Got it?
Trying to get it out. Oh, there you go.
There you go. Yo, you see my boy? Yo, good job, brother, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's go. About to eat you some lunch, Kane? Let me see what you eat for lunch, bro. Show me. Let me see what you got. Come here. Oh, you see my boy, man. Good old Vienna sausages. They be busting, huh? Yeah. Okay, you see my boy. Country boy now. Country boy. There you go. Oh. Yeah.
We got banners on our school.
Oh no! Dang.
2 of them.
3.
3?
Baby one. 2 right there, baby right next to it.
Oh, okay. That's daddy.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
All about that business.
Taking care of the cow. Like how, like, what? I hit you with it.
That was a big boy, bro.
Oh my God. So I gotta go exercise, work, for free. Stuck at first. That's good.
Whew. Oh. I done hit again, y'all. I done hit again, y'all. Man, my boy 2 fish, 1 bait with the net. There you go, brother man. Woo. Woo. Y'all see it, man. We do this for real, man. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm gonna try to get y'all some more fish. I'm gonna show y'all everything we got when we done, you feel me? But as of now, stay tuned and let's go get hooked up with AD again, you heard? Let's go!
As soon as our stick got him fired up, AD must have went right back down and ate again. Trying to be greedy. And got his ass stick again.
Might have been, oh, we might have keep missing the same one. The one I had, big boy, I missed.
Oh yeah, definitely. That shit, man.
I got him up to the top.
I know we both got one up to the top and bonus just came right out of his mouth.
There you go. Oh, okay. Don't play with him now. Hey, you caught, let me see what you caught him off of. Not all barnacles.
You hear that thing singing?
We be trying to tell people. You hear that noise? That's that barnacle rattle.
Come on.
That barnacle rattle.
What's up, nigga? Told you they out here. You kept on going everywhere else. You see, you gotta get hooked on the AD.
Yeah, get right, K.
You over there by yourself like you and me.
So, I see it. There you go. You got a net? I think I got him. Ooh, nah, that was a bad choice. That was a bad choice. Y'all see that? That's what we call lip biting. And I almost missed him by trying to pull him up. See that? Barely got on. I'll see it. Hey man, stay tuned. I'm about to show y'all everything I got. Let's go. My boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We did our
All right. Show y'all everything we got. Oh. All right. Show y'all everything we got, man. Check me out, y'all. Boom. You hear me? Last one. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Y'all see it. That's right here. Yeah, buddy. Hey, man. I appreciate everybody watching, man. You feel me? Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Please hit the notification bell, man. My subscribers is definitely going up, but I appreciate all y'all, man. I really, really, really do. But man, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Show love, be nice to people, man. Y'all already know my people. Start calling my phone on fishing. Let's go.